here is a video on how to do a flat iron curl. I get questions about these all the time. A lot of my clients really love the longevity of this, so I decided to slow it down a little bit and give you guys a video so you can actually see exactly what it is that I'm doing. You'll see that I'm going to take the section that's all combed out. I put a thermal spray on it before I started. I'm going to put the hair inside the flat iron, do a full rotation of the flat iron, and then pinch down on the flat iron and pull all the way down with even pressure and even speed. That's really important to do, is not pinch it down before you get the hair flipped all the way around inside the flat iron. So once again, you're going to see me take the section, pull it straight out, put it in the flat iron, do a full flip around the flat iron, and then you're going to turn the flat iron one full turn. So you'll see it come all the way back around, tail facing me, and then pull it straight out, and then you're going to see it curl. I just kind of help it curl with her really long hair. When it comes to the sides of the face, make sure you're curling away from the face. It's a lot more flattering, it opens up the facial features. Do not curl towards the face, which can get a little tricky when you switch sides. But same exact motion, you're gonna go all the way through. I don't brush the curls out or anything until the very, very end. So I'll let you see what it looks like with them all flat iron curls before I brush them. All right, here's the hair fully flat iron curled. Put a little hairspray in it, and I wait for it to cool all the way down before I brush them. And here you go. Take a brush and brush out all those curls.